Tech to your channel, Nomadic Hippie.
Oh, it's another moving day. Just left Thousand Trails, Orlando. On my way back to Wildwood, park this thing and get back to work. Well, in just a few minutes, I think I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of this little amazing product. Hopefully this adds to my video quality skills. Welcome everybody to another one of my incredible unboxing videos. You know how well I do unboxing videos. Sometimes I don't even bother about setting up cameras. Sometimes I just use my cell phone front-facing camera. Hence, the words are backwards, which gives your brain a little bit of time to think, what does the shirt say? Because you got to read it backwards. Anyway, I just left Thousand Trails in Orlando, getting ready to go back to work, parked Cousin Eddie, and been holding this product now for about 2 days that I'm getting ready to unbox. I want to give a big thank you to Jen Vargas from Central Florida Top 5 for picking this up for me. And also, Colonial Photo and Hobby in Orlando. It's so hard to find an actual camera store anywhere in the United States now. It's always Best Buy or Walmart or something like that. When you find an actual good camera store, you know, you got to show them some support, because a lot of the times the products I'm looking for are not available at Best Buy or Walmart. Something like I'm getting ready to show you guys now. So it's probably backwards. So let your mind figure it out. I should have used a regular camera for this video. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, let's jump right into this. And before I do, hold on a second. Need some tea. Okay, so here it is. A lot of people, including myself, or myself included, sometimes you're out shooting video and stuff, and you're just using the internal microphones in the camera. A lot of people are just using their cell phones, kind of like I am today, and using the built-in microphones. Now, sometimes you'll pull out the lavalier mic and plug it in and put it on your shirt, and that's all well and good, but you're tethered to your camera. Or if you're connected, you know, your lavalier mic to your telephone, you're still connected. You can only go so far. You can't go walking far, far away, still talking while the camera is stationary in one place. You don't have that mobility. So for the longest time, for a little bit over a year now, I've been trying to get a hold of that Rode Video Go wireless system, and it's been sold out. It's been sold out for, gosh, well over a year. Now, Colonial Camera did have one like 3 weeks ago in stock, and I just didn't have the cash to have someone go pick it up for me, because obviously I wasn't home. I'm a truck driver. So I was going to have Jen Vargas pick that up for me, but I didn't have the money. And so yesterday, we were talking about the microphone, and she called over there, and they were sold out. And it's going to be a long time till they get one in. It seems like when they come in, they're sold out immediately. But the gentleman at the camera store at Colonial said, hey, we got something that's comparable. It sounds the same. It's about same in size and almost the same build quality. You might want to check it out. Plus, it's about $30 cheaper. And I said, okay, same everything and $30 cheaper? You got it. And this is what it is. Now look, the words are correct because I'm using the front-facing camera. So it's Saramonic Ultra Compact dual channel wireless microphone system with a lavalier mic if you want to use it. Supposedly the receiver also has a built-in mic you can use, but if you want that higher quality, you just plug that in. You put this on your belt clip, plug this in, run it up the side of your shirt, and you are totally wireless. It sounds like a great alternative to always being connected to the camera. So this is not going to be a review video. I'm not going to review the product, you know, as like I'm using it. I'll review the build quality and stuff like that as I open the box. But I don't want to review it and let you guys know how well it works just yet until I've tested it out for about a week or so. So I guess let's get right into the unboxing. So it does say here, the Saramonic Blink 500B1 is an incredible, compact, lightweight, and easy-to-use wireless microphone system for DSLR, mirrorless, and video cameras, or mobile devices, like I said before, that delivers detailed broadcast quality sound. The belt clip on the receiver acts as a camera shoe mount for easy attachment. 2 output cables are included, TRS for cameras and TRRS for smartphones or tablets, so you get both cables inside. The clip on the transmitter has a great sounding built-in mic, and it's small, lightweight, and enough to clip on shirts, clothing, and you could use it to include the SRM1 professional lavalier microphone. So like I said, you can plug the lav into it too. It comes with 1 transmitter, but you can also add a second transmitter, sold separately obviously, to put mics on 2 different people while using the included dual receiver on your camera. That's important. So like say you're doing an interview or something like that, you can wire them up with a wireless microphone. You have a wireless microphone, all going to one receiver. So our transmitter to one, well, however it works. I don't know. I still got to learn all this stuff. So sounds pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and unbox it from this. Boom, boom, boom. It's nice. It's kind of a heavy box for 2 little small things. Now remember, you got to read everything backwards, unless I turn the camera around and use the front facing. But then I can't see myself, and I got to see myself. So words backwards, but that's on the front of the box, just backwards. And it has a little, it's a little flippy. There we go. It's a little flippy thing there. This is what the inside of the box looks like. All nice black packaging. Looks like there's an instruction book. Maybe even a sticker or something in there. I'll open that later, because I'm probably going to have to read. I don't know if I'm going to have to read the instructions on this anyway. It may be just connect and go. So you start off, you got the 2 units in there, and I'm assuming everything else is in this box, like the cables, cords for multiple devices, and also the lavalier mic. But that's not what that's all good and dandy, right? But come here, you. Oh, there's something under here too. Under here. Oh, so look at this. So you get a nice pouch to carry them in. So you could drop them in this pouch, put them in your backpack. They're protected. Thank you. It's a nice. Ooh, what was that? Oh, the clip. Let's see if we can get these out of this plastic. This might be the hardest part. Let's get both of them out so I don't have to do it twice. I'm really curious if there's a LED, or not LED, but a little display on here somewhere, and it doesn't look like it. So let's look at the transmitter first. We have the transmitter here, and let's see how it is. How does it charge? It's USB Type C, so it does have a USB Type C slot on there, easy for charging. If you want it for pairing buttons, it has pairing buttons. Now I know that that you must need pairing if you have a second device and you want to mic up a second microphone, I'm thinking, because these should, if they're anything like the Rode Go, should already come paired. You shouldn't have to pair these. Let's see if you could change the dB levels. Not on that, but and not on this. So yeah, you cannot change the dB levels. I don't know what the dB levels are. Maybe there's an application that you download on your phone to adjust it. I don't know. But so this here, the transmitter does have a belt, a clip on it. Let's see if we can do it here. It does have a clip on it, but supposedly it's the same size as a cold shoe mount, so you'll be able to slide it right onto your camera on the cold shoe, and just transfer it from there. I'll test that out in my review video of the product. And then the receiver here, this is a little bit tinier. They're both small. I mean, they're both little tiny things. But it does have a line out, and it has a little pair light right there, so when it's paired, it should go. And it also charges USB Type C. So USB Type C on that too. But other than that, there's just a power button. Nothing really on it. Build quality, it's plasticky, and it's that cheap plastic feel. It's not like that solid plastic feel. There's probably a lot of hollow space inside here, probably not too many components. It's just a receiver. If it falls on the ground, it'll probably be okay. It's not going to crack. It doesn't feel like that. The spring loading for your belt is extremely strong. That's not going anywhere once it's latched on. But you guys know what I mean about cheap plastic. Like, look, like my hard drive here, my portable hard drive, or well, that's metal. No, it's plastic. It's plastic. But if it's plastic, but it feels like metal. It's a really solid. This is not like that. So, yeah, we'll just have to see. We'll have to see how it holds up. It was $170 for the unit itself, where the Rode wireless was $190. You know, with tax, that puts it like at $210 or something. This was $160, comes out at $170. So you do save a little bit. And it's probably in the build quality, or it could be or it could be in use. I don't know. Like I said, I haven't tested it out yet. You know what? I don't know if they're charged. Let's go ahead and pair them. Let's boot up this one. Okay, that's booted up. Nice blue light. And let's boot up the receiver. And let's see if there's okay, it's on. And yeah, so the red light, or the light doesn't come on the side, so you probably have to pair. And I'm assuming, oh, here it is right here. It would say pair, it would be lit up, but it's not. So let's pair. The light on that changes. It's pairing. And no light yet. There's no button on the receiver for pairing. So I'm assuming you just hold down the transmitter pair button, and this should pair. I mean, this is all without reading the instructions. I don't know. I'm thinking the battery's not fully charged. Maybe that's what that red is. It's not fully charged. Maybe as it's all blue when it's charged, and as the charge dies down, it starts circling around red. Maybe that's it. But yeah, so at the moment, I have no idea how come it's not pairing, because everything is on. And it's flashing. There's a little blue flash. You know, maybe I have to hold the power button down at the same time to pair. Let's see. Pair, girl, pair. Okay, so yeah, it's not paired. It should, I'm assuming it already came paired. I'm just going to have to test it out, read the instructions or something. But at the moment, yeah. Can I say, hey, you guys should run out and get this? I don't know. I haven't used it yet. The unboxing was amazing. The products itself looks okay. It doesn't look cheap. It is very light though. It's not heavy at all. It's a lighter plastic, which means, yeah, you could probably drop it and it'll be okay. It'll probably bounce around on the ground. But you definitely want to take care of something like this. I just don't know how the pairing process works. I don't know I don't know what this little insignia there on the front is. I'm assuming it's Wi-Fi. I don't know. I don't know what this grill is in the front. This one, the transmitter has I burped on camera. Get some Milo's sweet tea out of a Blue Wave Odyssey cup now. I'm assuming as long as you have line of sight of this is probably where the radio waves come out of, and it's a nice little grilled area there. I don't know. I will let you guys know what this product is like later on as I start using it. So I'm going to use it with a couple different cameras. I may even use it with a cell phone now and then and just test it out. And we'll see how it goes. And then I will give you my full review and honest opinion of this product. But, like I said, let me pull out the card here so you guys can see it one more time. Just remember, read it backwards. Read it backwards. Colonial Photo and Hobby. They said that it's very comparable and works the same. And in some cases even better. So we'll just have to test it out. I'm excited to try it. And I think I'm going to goof around with it right now. And once I finish this video. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead, clean up Cousin Eddie, get ready to go back on the road, then hook this stuff up to a camera and play for a while. Until the next time, thanks for tuning in to this incredible unboxing. I'm looking at my pin here because that's a great thing with the Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. You could control it using the S Pen. This is remote. Now I just need the audio remote. Be great. All right, guys. I love you all. Peace out, everybody.